Hi everyone, welcome to Crack IELTS. My name is Almira. In this video, we will cover how to write an IELTS letter. The first step to writing a high-scoring IELTS letter is to understand how to plan the letter. This is essential, and in this video, I am going to explain why and show you how. The video includes 3 reasons why you must plan your letter, 5 simple steps of letter planning, understanding the question, idea generation, and the 6-part letter structure. Many of you may get a far lower score than you're capable of achieving simply because you either don't know how to plan the IELTS letter or you think that planning takes up time that is better spent writing the letter. Here are 3 key reasons why you should plan. First, planning saves time. If you plan your letter before you start writing, you will already know what you're going to say and you won't need to keep stopping to think about the next idea. This means that you'll be able to write much faster than if you don't have a plan. You only need to spend 5 minutes on the planning stage. That leaves 15 minutes to write and check your letter. Second, planning results in a more relevant answer. 25% of your marks are for task achievement. This includes writing over 150 words, stating the reason for writing a letter, and using the correct tone that is formal or informal. The third reason is planning results in a better structure. Another 25% of the marks are for coherence and cohesion. This includes having a clear structure for your letter, using paragraphs, using cohesive devices, for example, next, because, if, however, also, and then, and using referencing, for example, he, she, it, and they. Spending a few minutes planning before you start writing will ensure that you include everything that's required for a high mark. Your plan will give you a basic outline to follow as you write. This will make your task a lot easier and lead to a far better letter and a happy examiner. There are 5 steps to writing a good letter for general writing task 1. Understand the topic, identify who you are writing to, identify the 3 things you must write about, decide if the tone should be formal or informal, and generate ideas. We'll look at these in more detail in a minute, but first I'll quickly show you how to understand an IELTS letter question. The structure of the question will always be the same. Here's the 3-part structure. Part 1, the topic. Part 2, the person you must write to. And Part 3, what you should write about, which is listed as 3 bullet points. And this is a typical question. I've used the same color coding to highlight the 3 different parts. You have recently started working for a new company. Write a letter to a friend. In your letter, explain the reasons why you changed jobs. Describe your new job. Tell him or her your other news. Now let's move on to planning an IELTS letter. Once you understand the structure of the question, you'll be able to quickly and easily complete the first 3 steps of the planning process. Here they are again with the detail from the question added. First is understanding the topic. The first part of the question tells you the topic you must write about. In the question, it is stated as, you have recently started working for a new company. Next, identify who you are writing to. The second part of the question tells you who you must write to. In this case, you are writing to a friend. Third, identify the 3 things you must write about. You must include these 3 things in your letter. Explain the reasons why you changed jobs, describe your new job, and tell your friend your other news. Now for the final 2 steps of the planning process. Decide if the tone should be formal or informal. You need to identify what tone to use in your letter. Follow this rule. If the question includes the word friend, use informal language. If the question does not include the word friend, use formal language. The only exception is if the letter is to a close family member, when you would also use an informal tone, but these are not common. It is essential that you are able to distinguish between the 2 letter types as you will use different language in each style of letter. Our sample question states that you are writing to a friend, so you must use an informal tone. The final stage of planning is to generate some ideas to include in your letter. With only 150 words to write, you won't need many. Just make sure you write about each bullet point and develop each idea fully. Here are a few tips. Imagine that you are writing to a real named friend of yours. Your language will flow more naturally if you imagine this as a real letter to a specific friend. Use their name in the greeting. Next, write about a personal experience if possible. If you have experienced a similar situation to the one you have to write about, use this for your ideas. It will make planning quicker and again help you to use natural language. Next, you get marks for relevant ideas, not clever ideas. Your ideas do not have to be the best you can possibly think of. They just need to relate directly to the bullet points. Go with your first thoughts and don't waste time trying to think of better ideas. So let's have a go at generating some ideas for our sample question. Note your ideas beside each bullet point. The first bullet point is explain the reasons why you changed jobs. Here you could jot down some ideas such as bored with job as medical center receptionist, new challenge, not stuck in office all day. Next bullet point is describe your new job. Here you could jot down ideas such as estate agent, showing clients around houses, varied work. And the final bullet point is tell him or her your other news. Here you could write ideas such as still enjoying rowing, rode in the country championships, came second. And that's our planning done. We are now ready to start writing our IELTS letter. I have an easy to learn 6-part structure for you to use. You can use the same basic structure for answering any IELTS letter question. Ideally, your letter should consist of 4 paragraphs with a greeting at the beginning and a sign off at the end. The structure will start as dear with the name of the person you are addressing the letter to. Paragraph 1, the purpose, why you are writing the letter. Paragraph 2, write about the first bullet point. Paragraph 3, write about the second bullet point. Paragraph 4, write about the third bullet point. And finally, the sign off. With only 20 minutes allowed for the task and a requirement of just 150 words, you won't be able to include much detail. The main paragraphs, that is paragraph 2, 3 and 4, only need to be around 50 words each. Aim for quality in your letter, not quantity. The right information written in a logical order. Having a structure to work with will help you achieve this. That's all the information you need to know on how to write an IELTS letter. If you have any doubts, drop a message in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Crack IELTS to receive future updates. Thanks for watching. Until next time.